So let's talk a little bit about what a database is. A database is an organized collection of data, and what it does is it takes just raw data and it converts it into information that we can then use and turn into knowledge. So data is just unprocessed information, just raw numbers. And then the information that comes from that data is data that has been organized and communicated in a coherent and meaningful manner. And then knowledge is information that can be evaluated and organized so that we can use it with some sort of a purpose. We've all seen a database before, whether or not you realize you've used one, because I'm sure we've all seen a filing cabinet, which is a type of database. So we might need databases for different reasons, such as to organize, store, and retrieve information as effectively and efficiently as possible. And we can use a database to keep records, develop reports, perform research, and to do tracking. So we might have a database that stores customer information, and another database stores product information. And then we might want to combine those together and use those to create some sort of pricing invoice for our customers. And a database can do all of that within one big database file. So it can kind of eliminate the need for lots of separate things in some cases. A database management system bridges that gap between information and data, and it's just a computer software program that manages databases. The one that we're going to use in class is Microsoft Access, and you'll need Access 2013 to use in class. And it includes tools that add, modify, and delete data. It lets us perform search queries, and it also lets us produce reports, and we'll be doing all of that in Access. So the ultimate purpose of a database management system is to take that data, the information, the knowledge, and to do some sort of action with it. And we're going to be learning about relational versus non-relational databases. So in non-relational databases, information is in categories so that we can sort it and filter it. Whereas in relational databases, fields can be used in lots of different ways and linked together. So we'll be focusing a lot on relational databases, whereas non-relational databases can be thought of as just complex spreadsheets. So I hope that gives you a little bit more of an idea of what a database is. It's an organized collection of data that is made up of fields and records, and you will be learning all about that in Access.